Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Sound Test Room. Today, we're going to take a look at the R960 sequencer, which is kind of based on, the old Moog module sequencer that sort of just sat in a rack. Okay, so it's very, very good. It's audio bus compatible. You can use it as MIDI controller, which I'll run through as well. But what this is nice is it actually does come with a stack of its own sounds as well. So these are all the different sounds that are built into the app. It's mainly, like I said, mainly what you'd use for as a sequencer to control other apps. The sounds in this ain't brilliant, but they're good to get you going and good to help you learn how to program. Program is pretty simple as well, also, and also you can program obviously all these of your own sequences. Okay, so you've got 4 banks of sequences. Basically, it doesn't come with any sort of preloaded sequences or anything like that. So basically, what you'll get is if you're running a sequence, it'll go like this. So it'll just be a basic pulsing sequence. You can run through some of the different sounds here. Sort of your MIDI type sounds. Okay. So let me stop that. And what we're going to do now is we're going to set up the MIDI. Okay, so we're just going to drop out of that a sec, go to there, and we're going to use Moog for this. Okay, so we're just going to select a sound here from, I'll use the plucked pack from the plucked. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, we'll use that one. I like that one. It's nice for the sequence as well. Okay, so we can hop back over to the R960 sequencer and hit this little settings button here and just disable the audio. So this just disables the audio from the sequencer. So all we're going to hear now is the Moog, is any Moog. Okay, so we're gonna across the top here we have our pitch. So we can set our pitch to whatever we wish. Now here we have our duration. So it's set at 1/8. So if we can set it now at 116, that's 116D, 116, it's just 116. And there's our velocity here. And we can play, skip. So it'll skip either one you selected, and you can have to pause as well. And what these little switches here will do will cause, from wherever you switch, it'll cause it just to loop backwards and forwards. So now also you can set your velocity, your duration for each single note. So if we just set these a bit faster, or first couple slower. Now, you don't need to press anything. Stop that a sec. You don't need to hit anything to save a sequence. Once you've programmed in all of this, it will just be remembered as sequence 7. And then you can just There is a way to rename. Well, I can't remember how to do it now. But as you can see, I did do it. I put test sequence in there, sequence 7. Or maybe at the top here, edit. Yeah, there you go. So rename preset to, we'll just call it any Moog or any Moog, depending. And that will be there forever. So if I just go to the first one, which I must have called Time Gate, I'm not even sure how this will sound. Okay. And then we can hop back over to any Moog here, and we can do our So it's very cool. So there you go, guys. R960 sequencer. Dead easy to program. Sounds brilliant with things like Moog, and will sound great with Thor, Magellan, all your other synths as well. It actually sits in Audio Bus as well as its own thing, so it's easy peasy. Of course, you can control your other app synths via Audio Bus with this. It's a fine sequencer. It's really, really cool, and you guys should check it out. All right, guys, later.